I've seen plenty of equipment during my time as a nuclear power electrician and nearly 2 decades in the HVAC trenches. One thing I've learned is that the spec sheet doesn't always tell the whole story of how a machine handles the real world. Today, we're looking at two single-stage workhorses in the ducted split heat pump category, the Broan FSH1BE and the GE NS17H. Both are designed to provide solid, reliable comfort without the complexity of high-end variable speed systems. The first thing I look at is the armor. In a residential backyard, your condenser coil is vulnerable to everything from hail to the neighborhood dog. Both of these units are built with full louvered panels. On the GE NS17H, those louvers are part of a modern, sleek design that provides heavy-duty protection for the aluminum alloy coils. Broan's FSH1BE also features a louvered coil guard to ensure those fragile fins aren't left exposed to the elements. When a unit has a louvered cabinet, it tells me the manufacturer isn't just worried about lab tests. They're thinking about the next 15 years in your yard. Technically, these are single-stage machines, which means they operate at 100% capacity whenever they are running. The Broan FSH1BE is a very efficient player for this tech level with an 8.5 HSPF2 rating. The GE NS17H is a strong contender as well, categorized as a 17 SEER and 15.8 SEER 2 unit. In the heating season, that Broan efficiency will help shave a bit more off your utility bill when temperatures drop. When it comes to investment, the GE NS17H is an aggressive competitor on price. You can often find the condenser alone for roughly $1,400 to $1,800 depending on tonnage. For a full professional installation of a GE system, most homeowners are looking at a range of $8,000 to $10,500. The Broan FSH1BE equipment typically retails a bit higher, between $2,900 and $4,200 for the unit. A complete Broan install often lands between $9,000 and $12,500. You are paying a premium for the Broan, so let's see if the protection and warranty bridge that gap. Before we crown a winner, here's a piece of field-tested advice. The best heat pump will fail if it can't breathe. A clean coil and a fresh filter are the best ways to protect that compressor from an early grave. The warranty battle is where things get interesting. Both brands offer a standard 10-year parts and compressor warranty with registration. Broan includes a 10-year quality pledge that replaces the entire outdoor unit if the compressor fails within the first decade. That is a massive advantage that protects you from the labor costs associated with a major teardown. The verdict for me comes down to long-term risk management. While the GE NS17H is a beautifully designed, cost-effective machine with great protection, the Broan FSH1BE takes the win for me. It offers slightly higher heating efficiency and that 10-year unit replacement pledge. When you're looking at the bottom line over 15 years, having a manufacturer willing to swap the whole machine is the ultimate peace of mind. Shop like a pro and use the head-to-head tool on HVACforbeginners.com. Before you go, I want to share something important with you. Every month, Enduring Freedom Ministries provides food to over 1,700 people, but a meal is only the first step toward stability. That's why we are building Ezra's Place, a new tiny home community designed to help families get back on their feet for good. I've started a fundraiser right here on the channel to help. Every dollar you give builds a future. Click the donate button below. Thanks for being part of this project. I'll see you in the next one.